ellipse, what we do is we just draw 1/4 of it. Then we put in what you could call crosshairs or quadrants. I guess quadrants would be a better word for it. And then all we have to do is make the rest of it match. So say we make that, and that. Okay, I now have a pretty good idea where everything needs to be. We know that it's always going to cross these quadrant center lines perpendicular for a moment. So I'd move my hand up so my hand isn't blocking my view of the drawing.
So you're saying that those ends on the right and left shouldn't be a point. It has to be a moment where it's a vertical line.
That's right. It's exactly right. It's vertical here and here. Now, say if you had a line like that, there's never a moment where it stops turning. But if, it's going to intersect it at a flat and immediately begin its upward, here it's going to immediately begin its upward momentum. Here's one reason why you never have to be concerned about 1 or 2 point perspective when you're doing ellipses. You don't have to think about that because circles are kind of immune to squares. They have their own logic. So if this was 1 point perspective, but you often get the question, well, isn't the close part bigger than the distant part? Well, so yes and no, as my lawyer would say. Whoops. So strictly speaking, it is bigger because where it intersects these lines. So strictly speaking, it is bigger. Yet you don't have to concern yourself when you're drawing it with the close part being bigger than the distant part. It's something that's confused artists forever.